Hi, my name is Jacob, and I'm here at the entry of the Reese Jones Foundation Earth Cycles Gallery, where we offer exciting programs for both the public and school groups. In this gallery, you can explore the history of life over time, the many ways in which the Earth's surface is always changing, the water cycle and weather, travel to outer space to learn about the planets, discover the relationship Earth has with the sun and the moon, and so much more. Come with me to see what we can find.
Welcome to the Dallas Arboretum. Come visit the Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden, an 8-acre interactive outdoor science museum that features galleries with TEKS-aligned life and earth science explorations for grades K through 6. Each learning gallery takes you on a discovery journey of science concepts through interactive exhibits and lessons. We are grateful to the Adlita Corporation for making this video possible.
We start our journey of Earth cycles through a prehistoric walk along geologic timeline imprinted on the pavement that, according to scientific estimates, tells a story of 4.5 billion years of our planet. Scientists learn about the ancient Earth's history by studying the many layers of sediment that creates its crust over time. Buried within these many layers are traces of life forms that once roamed the Earth. From as far back as 3.5 billion years ago. There are all kinds of plants and animals shown here. Oh look, this is where the dinosaurs used to roam the Earth. Wow, over 200 million years ago. Can you hear that water dripping? Let's find out where it's coming from. Oh look, it's coming from inside the cave. Relax in the coolness of the cave and listen to the dripping water that runs through the cave and the many holes and cracks of this rock, contributing to the formation of icicle-shaped structures called stalactites that hang down from the ceiling, and stalagmites that grow up from the ground, formed from calcium and other minerals that are in the water that travel through rock. The surface of the Earth is constantly changing. Let's explore some other ways that water changes the Earth's surface. You can explore how land formations change as water in streams, rivers, and runoff flow downhill. You can create your own landscapes at the stream table and observe the power of water and its effects on land. Stream tables are great models that we can use to observe the impact that water has on a landscape. Test your skills in identifying different types of rocks. Did you know that there are 3 main types of rocks? Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And I know that fossils are mainly found in sedimentary rock. Let's see if we can find one. Oh, look at this. I think this might be a fossil of a prehistoric organism. Fossils provide us with clues to help us determine what life looked like on our planet many years ago. Over time, the processes of weathering, erosion, and deposition form sedimentary rock and form soils too. Sediments of sand, silt, and clay contribute to the formation of soils over time through these processes. Here in Texas, we have many different types of soils. Let's keep exploring Earth's cycle galleries. Look at this big puzzle of the Earth. All land once existed as one large supercontinent referred to as Pangaea. How did we end up with so many different continents? I wonder if we can figure out the puzzle of change over time. How do these large land mass changes occur? Explore how forces deep under the surface of Earth are the cause of large land formation change and discover plate tectonics. See how land masses can collide and cause shifts that result in rapid changes to the Earth through events like earthquakes. Can you forecast the weather? Just past our water cycle model, you can find our weather station. Explore the forces of nature's winds by creating your own tornado. Take a water molecule on a journey through the water cycle. From a body of water up to the clouds and back again to Earth, explore some of the many different stages of the water cycle, such as evaporation and transpiration, or condensation and precipitation. As you move along the Earth Cycle Gallery, your next journey will take you to outer space. Investigate the relationships between objects in space by exploring the relative positions of the Earth, Sun, and Moon to one another. These relationships explain the regular and repeating patterns that we observe on Earth, why we have seasons, how solar energy affects the Earth in many different latitudes, and why we have night and day. Speaking of relationships, follow along with the phases of the moon. As you stroll along our model here, you can learn how the moon influences our tides and why we have eclipses. You can use your shadow to tell time too here in our amazing sundial. Have you ever noticed that the length of your shadow changes during the day? Study how the apparent movement of the sun across the sky changes the length and direction of your shadow. We invite you to bring your children out to explore the magic of this gallery.
If you would like to learn more about the many school and public programs at the Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden, please visit our Dallas Arboretum website at dallasarboretum.org. When you register for a program, we will align the lesson to your appropriate grade level TEKS, providing an exciting and educational experience your students will always remember. Thank you for considering the Children's Adventure Garden as a learning destination. We look forward to seeing you in the garden soon.
Jack and I are so blessed and honored to sponsor these educational videos in the amazing Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden at the Dallas Arboretum.
And to celebrate the Adleta Corporation's 100th anniversary, we invite you to discover the fun and adventures awaiting you in the Children's Garden.